friend, I am Sirajul Islam and you watching FMS Trip YouTube channel. Dear friend, today I am going to tell you about Travel Payout White Label Affiliate Program. The Travel Payout White Label Affiliate Program enable partner to create customized branded flight and hotel booking website and mobile apps, iOS, Android without technical development. Users search for travel service under your brand, boosting credibility while you earn commission up to 7% on mobile apps and 10% on website on processed booking. So first of all, you need to create a domain, customized domain, set up your own domain or subdomain such as flight.yourwebsiteyourdomain.com. Then customize design, customize colors, logos and fonts to match your brand, enhance earning while travel solution can increase affiliate. I think that you will earn so much money if you create your page or your website as it is, which I will tell you in this video. So you can earn so much money and easily you can withdraw to the money to your PayPal account and if you make this one. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I'll tell you that please subscribe my channel. On sign up button, after clicking you need to enter your email ID here. So I have one email ID, trip@gmail.com. this is my email ID. You enter password as you wish. And then click create account. Okay, after clicking create account, and then there is saying that how did you hear about Travel Payout? So in social media, YouTube, any other, select as you wish. So I am selecting social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, another. Then I will select YouTube and click on submit, and then choose any one of them. I don't have a blog or site, I have blog, website or other, so click this one and then create project. Okay, independent content creator, travel agent, other. If you independent, then click here. If you travel agent, then click here. If you know anyone, any both of them, then click this one, media, buyer, cashback and coupon service, this one. If you travel agent, then click on travel agent. If website, social media, blogs, groups and more, click on this one. So if you have a website, then type your website. I have a website. If you have website, then click website and write your URL name, domain name in here also. And if you have not this one, social media, then click social media and paste your social media link. If you have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, then first of all open your Facebook account, a new tab, Facebook account and new tab. After opening, you click on your name. After clicking your name and click on this search bar, and you will got your Facebook creating link here. Copy it and paste it over here. Okay, if you have video platform YouTube, so in YouTube you go to your YouTube channel and paste this link in over here. If you have messenger group, then your messenger group, copy the link and paste over here. You have apps, any apps, mobile application, copy the mobile application link and paste it over here. If you have newsletter, then try it if you have one of them. Okay, so I have website, So I'm creating website, and no, I already make in website. Right now I'm making in YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So I have YouTube. My YouTube link is already I generated my YouTube link. So my YouTube link is maybe there is my YouTube link. Yeah, YouTube URL link, FMS strip. This one my YouTube link. Copy and then paste it over here and click on next. Okay, and what language you can select? Language I select English, then Hindi, then English, Hindi, and then Arabic. Okay, English, Hindi and Arabic, and another language also, and click on next. And you should type your project name, any project name. Suppose my project name is FMS strip project name. Okay, and finish the project. After clicking to finish the project, the FMS strip project is completed. He said now you can join the affiliate program of your choice in just one click. So close it and open your account. You can see here is my account. Okay, and this is my affiliate link ID number. This is the ID number. Okay, when you do all things, you should
need to open your email ID. There you will get a link. You need to verify the link. After verify your account, you will easily can work. So we need to verify the account. Okay, now you can click on sign in button and enter your email ID and password. Okay, and click on login. After click on login, you can see your account will open. This is your account. This is your affiliate market ID, and now you go to main. After main, you can choose like there's companies, affiliate programs. So click on this tools, click on tools. After click on tools, you can see here your project name and affiliate ID and target URL, this one, partner ID, this one. Okay, and this is your affiliate link. You can share the link any other platform. Yeah, now statistic, popular action, about this one, tools, generate form, search form.